Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create a multiplayer world in Palworld. Let's begin by opening the Start Game menu and hitting Create New World. I will stick with the default world name, but you can of course change it to whatever you like. Let me demonstrate actually. Let me name it like that. Enable, of course, multiplayer. Here you can enable or disable crossplay. I will leave it enabled. Choose difficulty. You can pick casual, normal, hard, and hardcore, or you can select custom and customize your difficulty to your liking. As you can see, there is great amount of options for customization. I will increase the gatherable items multiplier, dropped items multiplier, decrease the item weight rate to 0.1, and I don't know, what else can I do? I will increase the XP rate to 20 times the normal rate and increase work speed multiplier to 5 times. So I'm creating basically a super easy world for anything. Once I'm done setting up, so of course you can change the difficulty to your liking. I chose this. Select OK, then select yes to start the multiplayer world. Here you will be taken to character creator. Let me quickly go through this. I already showcased how to create a character in my previous guide, but I will quickly go through it. Here you can choose one of the 12 presets for your character. In body, you can change the body type between male and female. You can change the skin color or customize it to your liking completely by yourself. Let's say I want to play as an orc. I can. You can change the torso size. You can change the arm size and leg size. In face, you can change the face type. Eye type. You can change the eye color. This works on in the same way that you can either pick a preset or customize the color to your liking by adjusting those sliders right here. And you can change the eyebrow color. This also changes the facial hair. Right. In hair, you can change the hairstyle. As you can see, there is actually completely no limit to the options. I mean, there is of course a limited number of options, but never mind. The same goes for changing the hair color. And in voice, you can pick between 6 voice presets. Now I will select voice 4, let's say, and when I'm done, hit enter. Or OK, right. You can also hit start game right here. Then select yes to start the game. You will see the opening cinematic. I will actually skip it. And now you are taken to the starting zone. Right. Let me show you one thing. I will show you how to invite people into the server. Of course, there is the server info, but under player list you can actually see the invite code. You can copy it and send it to your friends. You can add people to the block list and that way manage the people that can access the server. I think that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.